Okay guys, Korean Cardi here with the testing video of this MTX 9500 guys. That's 9500 watt. That's what it says. Under the cap guys. Under the cap. Yep. 9500 guys. Yeah, that's the version we're working with now guys. So the thing is dry. It's not rubbing or anything, but I'm gonna do it down to 2 ohms. What I like with these guys, these are terminal for all in key guys, and this also use the push terminal. That's so nice, you know, beautiful. I like that. But today I'm gonna use the push terminals. Yeah, so I'm gonna do red to red, black to black. I think that should be 2 ohms. Right, this side too, and this should be that one, the black should be the black. This one should be the red. So I'm out the wires guys. So got a little bump, and then I'm going to get my meter here. Oh yeah, I can hear harder from it already. Really? Wow, look at that, this thing now. What did I do? Hold on. Before I'm still not going to guys, I don't want to mess up the reading it should give me. Oh, what's giving me read those with the one? Come on. Saying 6 here. Let me take this one out. I think I'm doing something wrong here, guys. No, it's saying, oh, that should be 4. Okay. Let me take this off. Yeah, that's for the amplifier. And put these in. Saying 3 here guys, but it's definitely 2 ohms. But let me show you. Yeah, this should be 2 ohms. What am I doing wrong? I'm not doing anything wrong here. It says 2.6. See that guys? So yeah, it's down to 2 ohms guys. So that's what we want to see. So now yeah, because this was, yes guys, this was connected to the amplifier, so it was showing me out guys. I know you guys want to see what this thing does, but I'm not gonna abuse it. I'm using some audio already. So let me go to that base. You have a hub guys, so yeah. I downloaded. Base test here. Should do some base stuff. So that's at 45 hertz. Not much rocking. That's at 45 hertz, guys. Alright. That's 37 hertz. This guy's 37 hertz. Okay. This thing's sting, you guys. 37 hertz. Alright. 31 hertz, guys. Woo-wee. That's 31 hertz, guys. Another thing gonna put it at 30. Yeah, that's good enough right there. I love it, guys. Believe me. Ah, look at that. Solid now. Okay. Wow. Nice and clean. Read him. Yo. So I let it go this thing. Look like it will shake off this thing. Alright, I'm gonna go to. Should I do it, guys? Should I go to 29? Yeah, that's it. 29 right there. Ooh, this thing is stinging. It's 29 hours, guys. Flexing really good. This, guys. Nice and clean. Man, guys, I can't even, when I put my ears, it's not even the box. It's not like the portrait. That's crazy. Yeah, this thing, like your ears, really. I never really tried, like, man. Ooh wee. I don't know that. Don't know that. That thing is all tickly. Mm. Mm. Man, he's waking up the wax. Woo. Yep. Yeah, what the heck? Let's see. Oh my god. Awesome. About 37 hertz. Yep. So I stopped it, guys. So listen, guys. I was looking for the voice card to buy for this speaker. It's not on eBay. Just let you know. I have to get it made overseas, guys. Yes, I get it made. So let me show you the one. I have one left. See, guys? It's like this when it comes. You get it made. It comes like this. See? Yeah. This is what it look like. This, guys. This is what it look like. So yeah, I get it made overseas, guys. Yes. So if ever you need a voice call for one of these, just hit me up and I'll let you know how much it costs. I know get it made, but you know which the amount you need, and I'll let you know the price. But I get a good deal, guys. I'm not gonna say how much I get them for, but I'll get them a good price for you. Way, better price than where some company have it for. Yeah, but I see a lot of people, and I even see a comment somebody was asking, they seem like nobody have the voice call for these subs. So, but yeah, but letting you know, guys, yes, letting you know, I have voice coil. If you need voice coil, I can get them, you know. But this I'm down to one now because I did only order two. Yeah, because I had a bunch of other ones that I really need. And I did only have one of these subs. So I said, yeah, I'm not gonna go crazy for now buying a bunch of these, which I should do, and which I think I'm going to do next. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. I'm going to buy some. Definitely going to buy some more. But yes, guys, that's it. It's nice, everything, clean and everything, you know. Works. It works. Yes, guys, it works. So please like, subscribe if you like what to see, guys, and cardiac guys out for now. That's it for this testing video. Okay, guys, no respect.